To create a Google form, you're going to want to go to New, More, Google Forms. You can also go to the URL bar and type in forms.new. The first thing you want to do is rename the file, which will automatically change the title as well. You can add a little description if you want, but we're just going to get started with our questions. And if you have prepared your choices for multiple choice or your drop-down menu in a Google Doc anywhere else, every new line is something that you can paste in and it'll quickly show that here. So with each of these, if I wanted to, I can add a picture. If I wanted to, I can add video, some text or description. I can import different kinds of questions, but this is going to be a required question. I can also add a description here if I wanted to. And I'm going to now add a new question. Let's go. And I'm going to have a third question here. And the question is going to be, and there we go. So they have two short answer questions and they have a multiple choice here. Now what I like to do is go to the settings here to make sure I see what I want. So I want to make sure that it's only TDSB students and staff entering. They're going to limit that to one response. I don't want them to be able to edit or see their results, but maybe I do next time and I can show that. And I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to go to send and I can email this to whoever I'd like and say, hey, fill out this form. And I can include the form in the email if I wanted to. But I'm going to use a shortened link here, copy this and paste this here. And this will allow me to test out my form. And I click submit. And what happens is that'll show me and confirm that I've recorded. But if I go now back to my form, I'll notice it says responses 1. That will show me the results from my form. I can copy and paste this if I wanted to share it into different emails and Google Docs. But there you go. That's the basics.